Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn NCERT Class 5 EVS Chapter 3 Tasting to Digesting. Let us read the lesson. Jumba ran into the kitchen and caught hold of her mother, saying, "Ma, I am not going to eat this bitter karela, that is bitter gourd. Give me gur and roti," because she wants jaggery and roti to eat. Her mother smiled and said, "You ate roti and sugar in the morning." Julian teased Jumba. "Don't you get bored of only one kind of taste?" Jumba replied quickly, "Do you get bored with licking imli?" Imli means tamarind. "I bet your mouth is watering just by hearing the word imli." "Sure, I love the sour imli, but I eat sweet and salty things too. I even eat karela," said Julian, and looked at her mother. They both laughed heartily. Julian took a few drops of lemon juice in a spoon and put them in Jumba's mouth. Jumba quickly replied, "It is sour lemon." Julian then picked up a small piece of jaggery. Then her mother suggested, "Crush it, otherwise she will know what it is." Julian crushed the jaggery, but Jumba easily guessed it. They played the game with different food items. We can discuss and write. Julian's mouth started watering when she heard the word imli. When does your mouth water? List 5 things you like to eat and describe their taste. Second question is, do you like only one kind of taste or different ones? Why? Julian put a few drops of lemon juice in Jumba's mouth. Do you think we can make out the taste with just a few drops? The fourth question is, if someone were to put a few seeds of saunf or aniseed on your tongue, would you be able to tell with your eyes closed? How? All of us know lemon juice is of sour taste. Imli is also sour. Imli is also sour. Jaggery is very sweet. Jumba could tell the fried fish even before tasting it. How? Because of its strong smell. We not only taste our food, but we also can recognize the food by its smell. Here are some food items and their taste. Chocolate, sweet. Chips, salty. Ice cream, sweet. Raw mango is sour. Bitter gourd is bitter in taste. Julian's mouth started watering when she heard the word imli. When does your mouth water? List some things you like to eat and describe their taste. All these things we are like to eat. If we heard about imli or raw mango, or if we see the raw mango or imli, our mouth waters. The next question is, do you like only one kind of taste or different ones? Why? We like different kinds of taste. We like different kinds of taste. Only one type of taste is boring. Julian put a few drops of lemon juice in Jumba's mouth. Do you think we can make out the taste with just a few drops? Yes, a few drops of sour things are enough to make out the taste. A few drops of sour things are enough to make the taste. If someone were to put a few seeds of saunf or aniseed on your tongue, would you be able to tell with your eyes closed? How it is possible? Yes, we can recognize some food items by their smell also. The smell of saunf, we can recognize saunf. How did Jumba make out the fried fish? Can you guess the names of certain things only by their smell, without seeing or tasting them? What are these things? Yes, we can recognize many things only by its smell. We can recognize many things only by its smell, like fish, omelette, samosa, pakodi, even some curries are recognized only by its smell. And Jumba made out the fried fish by its smell. The next question is, has anyone ever told you to hold your nose before taking medicine? Why do you think they tell you to do this? Our sense of smell helps us to get the complete taste of food. By closing our nose will somewhat mask the bitter taste of the medicine. Our tongue helps us in tasting different taste. But there are particular places in the tongue where we can recognize a particular taste more than the other taste. On which part of the tongue could you get the most taste? In front or at the back? On left or right side of the tongue? Which taste could be made out on which part of the tongue? Mark these parts on the picture given. On which part of the tongue could you get the most taste? In front, at the back, on the left or right side of the tongue? Let us find out which part of the tongue tastes what. Tip of our tongue recognize sweet taste. On the upper side portion, it is salty taste. Upper side portion is salty taste. And above it we can recognize sour taste. And the bitter taste can be recognized in our throat area. The bitter taste can be recognized in our throat area. That is why we are getting bitter taste only during swallowing a bitter medicine. Besides all these tastes, there is one more taste which is tasted in the center portion of the tongue. That taste is umami or savory taste. That is umami or savory taste. It is described as savory and has the characteristics of cooked meats. Characteristics of cooked meat together with sweetness, sourness, bitterness and saltiness. One at a time, put some things to eat in other parts of your mouth. Under the tongue, on the lips, on the roof of the mouth. Did you get any taste there? The answer is we do not get any taste on another parts of the tongue. We can get the taste only through our tongue. Use a clean cloth to wipe the front part of your tongue so that it is dry. Put some sugar or jaggery there. Could you taste anything? Why did this happen? We could not taste a thing if we wipe the front part of our tongue because there was no saliva. That is because there was no saliva. When we wipe our tongue with a cloth, when the food mixes with our saliva, then only we get its taste. There are so many tiny bumps in our tongue. These are called taste buds. What are taste buds? If we stand in front of a mirror and look closely at your tongue, you can see tiny bumps on your tongue. These are called taste buds. And the taste buds are responsible for the sweet, salt, sour and bitter taste that we feel. Sweet, salt, sour, bitter taste we feel. Taste buds are the sensory organs found on our tongues and helps us to experience different tastes like sweet, salty, sour, bitter and savory. If someone asks you to describe the taste of amla or cucumber, you might find it difficult to explain. How would you describe the taste of this? Amla is sour. After chewing it becomes sweet. Cucumber is very watery and nothing else. Tomato is Sweet, sour and juicy. Onion is pungent taste. Onion is of pungent taste. Saumph, sweet with nice smell. Garlic is bitter with pungent smell. Think of words that you know or make up your own words to describe the taste. When Jumba tasted some of the things, she said, what is it? It is pickles or any sour things. When we eat something sour, we make this sound. When we eat ice cream or jalebi, we feels it as yummy. When we eat noodles or porridge, ghee, etc., what sound we make? We make slurp sound. That is all about tasting, the part 1 of chapter 3, tasting and digesting. Thank you.